And then what's going to happen here is you might end up having to take a 4x4 to hit it. Normally you could just like jam down on it with your foot or something. Just go straight down instead of at an angle.
Okay.
Look at you.
Done
You are
that.
a trip. I am not mouthing off to you. Or it was loose, one of the two.
Probably, man. I don't
Okay, now here's the deal.
Yeah.
So you put it back to where it was, to where it's, you know, it's not really tightening. See how I stopped there?
Yeah. Take
And
it
the
off.
new one's going to touch that.
Okay.
See, but it's not touching enough to keep you from unscrewing it. Got me?
Gotcha.
Do you?
A little bit.
No, I'm just saying, if I tightened it against this, you wouldn't be able to unscrew this.
Okay. Okay.
See, it's finger tight.
Finger tight.
Now you got to do the same thing for this one, but it's more just pure muscle, not, you know, not kicking it. So just
Okay.
grab this one and just start
Pull
turning
towards
it
me.
that way.
That way.
It's not gonna fight you. There you go. And you just unscrew it all the way with this thing. Just, you know, old school. Okay. I'll loosen up the tiniest bit so it goes on. Yeah, just over and over. Got me? There you go. And then I gotta get you that pickle fork thing. You know what that is?
What's that?
Like a giant fork.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. I think big rusty one you got. Almost.
And you put the, what do you call it on it? That little thingamabob.
Okay.
What's happening now? Screw it into there. What a beautiful job. Okay, you got to use like that, and if it won't thread, there's threads in it, so not that grease thing. Use that like that tool there.
Which one?
The threaded thing. That thing. Turn it down to fit. You just screw this thing in. Where's the little fitting? Yeah, you put it in the hole. It went in, and just snug it down with that. Just, and then you got to come get a grease gun. Got me?
Mm-hmm.
Are you filming and working? You're killing me. How can you do that?
Man, with many talents, man.
You're a pyro. You're a pyromaniac. So can you send that video of the flying thing to people?
Oh yeah,
Good.
I got a lot of footage too.
We out there now, see?
Oh yeah.
That's good enough. Now you want to get the grease gun?
Yeah.
You can follow me. 15 years as a sexual predator.
Oh shit.
Here. Okay, snap it on here.
Okay, the little nurse lady here.
Bring it down here and push it down until it clicks. Hear it?
Yeah, I heard it.
Now just push that thing in a couple of times. Try it again. One more time. Couple more. That's good. Hey, there he is. There goes we had to go great Bronco. I think he just got out of the hospital. See if he needs a hand.
Gotcha.
Rick's like, tell her they're in the cage. I said, dude, she said, I don't like dogs.
Right.
You know, I'm like, she's a sweetie. She doesn't bite.
Hey.
That's Hella.
Hey. Hey.
He drives Lily crazy.
A word.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yes, you gotta turn that thing a little bit sideways. Okay, now you gotta turn it. That's it. You gotta turn your steering wheel straight. And turn your steering wheel straight. See how it's turning to the right? I have to turn the key on. I don't know. Okay, now look at your steering wheel. See how it's dead level? See, that's pretty much straight. Going down the road, got me?
Yeah.
So what you do is you go like this. That's why you propped it up. You bring this up here and touch it like that. And then you go to the front tire. See how it's touching?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yes.
You're going up there. And you make it touch the back of the tire, the back part where that round thing is. That's it. Now see the front? There should be the tiniest gap.
There's no gap.
Okay, you got me?
Yeah.
So what you do is you just go like this. That was too much, but
There's a little gap.
push it up there real good. See, yeah, there's a giant gap. I can see it from here. See that?
Yeah, there's a gap.
If you want that, you just want the tiniest air gap.
Okay. Yeah, that's tiny right there.
Okay.
Dang.
And then all you do is if you let the other side down, which we're supposed to do that with the other side down.
Oh, okay. Might be off a little bit.
Or down.
Okay.
It has to have the weight of the car on it, that's all.
Yeah.
Okay, set it down. All the way. So let's double check that one. You see what I'm saying now? Then you get both tires pointed in the same direction.
Yeah. Dang. Who needs an alignment shop?
Well, no, this is the way they do it in a race shop.
Damn.
See, what do you got now? A disaster, see?
Yeah.
So hang on. This is how it's done. Okay, now I gotta move your head. I can't see the gap.
There's a gap. Touching.
All right, it's good enough.
Yeah, right there. It's good.
Okay, now you carry it to the other side. Now you see why I wasn't worried about the adjustment?
Yeah.
Back up.
I still need a tire, right?
Yeah, I guess so. I mean, you can hold it up. It's up to you. You got to move those things a little bit. There you go. Now. Okay, watch out. There you go. It only has to touch this. See, it's bending a little because of that thing's touching the ground. You gotta kind of neutralize that a little bit. That's good. Touch it in there. Hey, is it even? It's got a gap in the back, doesn't it?
Yeah, in the back.
Okay, so you gotta turn that rod this way. Take the little nut, move it, turn the little nut away from that new part, and grab that rod with the pliers and turn it this way about one turn.
So this way.
Yeah, this way.